teaching song takuk song tei mare song norok tini naitong di sini TPS sini madome sini SI sub inspector ni advertisement kaisa nongkhoka TPS o oboni sekang kaisa nongkhojak tongo TCS tai TPS sengtini nalainai TPS sini je sub inspector ni advertisement nalainai bahake tai busuk kota tai busuk qualification tam admission selection ni process rok obrok nalainai ke norok bunni je advertisement check khlainai mano TPS ni website thangai on khakyang ke na open khakyang ke no advertisement ni phainai yo advertisement norok click khakyang ke no phainai sini advertisement ni link je puila o tongnai ne this sub inspector of police men and women unarmed and armed branch obno click khadi norok TCS ni bon naimna kan mon ang TCS ni video upload khaliya ikor Tripura civil service grade 2 Tripura police service grade 2 obni norok click khainai advertisement pori mano engka sing tabok o je sub inspector ni obno ar click khake nomti phainai Tripura public service commission ni phainai je bini kutap tongo SIUB men ni tongo SC 09 ST 11 UR 24 post total 44 post আর পরে SIUB women বরিরং বাগৈ STO 6 UR nil SC nil total 06 sudah ST rong bagai sim beri rong ni tonggo jago ar SIAB men obo sudah ST rong bagai sim duja tonggo oke ex serviceman rong bagai ekta tal tinta total post engka SC rong bagai 09 ST rong bagai 19 UR rong bagai 25 total 53 enggak minimum 10% horizontal reservation of the total sanctioned post of women mane boirong bagai 10% reserve ungjakta geseng next nailainai sini qualification rok busugnai tai boys rok busugnai exam fees rok busugnai selection process bom toi sengabo nailainai next geseng nailainai kunade the total and category wise number of vacancies is subject to increase or decrease mane post bari mano te kom mano hunchata depending upon the requirement of the department mane requirement no nai bari mano koi mano chao educational qualification ganke satai brin bagai at least graduate in any discipline je kono graduate khaijak ganke no nang oppose apply khai manai physical or for physical measurement selarong bagai nani de 160 semi 68 semi ST rong bagai type 5 semi komana shar manaita 163 semi nangnai CS nangnai 79 semi or 84 semi high 68 semi or omongke go chest khaklap body ta arpor weight nangya women dong ke beseng nangnai 152 semi omongke berong ni bagai geseng next nalaine desirable knowledge of Bengali and Kobrok. Bengali te Kobrok knowledge tong nang nai. Amai ta. Ngasi na di age men and women minimum 21 year and maximum 27 year. Minimum 21 tai maximum 27 year nai 1/1/2009 1 তারিখ জানুয়ারি অনুসারে 21 বছর থেকে 28 বছর জরা আংনাই ও জাগো তামো মাধ্যমিক তাই হায়ার সেকেন্ডারি মাধ্যমিক জেনে যে ডবার দङ আবনি অনুসারে আর SC ST রকমকে ইয়ার ko manai ta replaceable manai handicraft rok manai o jago tabung addition selection process ta manai the selection process will consist three censorship stage namely tinta step parang hangke nang oro select naita puila nini physical efficiency test manai ar pore written exam ar pore personality test 20 mark ni written exam mo 200 mark ni the eligible candidate will be required to undergo physical efficiency test to be conducted sini physical efficiency test tam nai abo sungai madi enrollment branch and armed branch men and women nai di 100 meter puila makarnai 15 second by আর long jump 3.80 meters short put 7.26 kg 5.60 meter ma khitar nai short put high jump 1.20 meter high jump আর 800 meter 100 meter run ma khainai 2 minute 50 second by omongka physical efficiency test beri dong ni bagai ingke 100 meter 16.5 second আর long jump 3.25 meter short put 4 kg no 4.50 meter আর high jump 1.05 meter 200 meter run ma khainai 30 second by of the national physical efficiency test as fixed by the government ne rule anusare ar pore sini written exam full mark tongnai 200 ni personality test tongnai full mark 20 ni sini subject cover khainai written exam nani adi subject paper 1 tongnai comprehension English grammar computer basic knowledge mathematics basic science basic bebak 2020 klai total 100 mark 3 hour exam cholinai apor paper 2 general knowledge and current affair of the whole country gk ma konai 100 mark ne 3 hour number total 200 sini the last date of submission of online application sini online application ma khani abo tps sini website thangi nai norok 14 march ni simi 16 april jora saringni sarpasa jora norok apply ma khainai online application tps sini thangi oro website jak o website thangai norok sini recruitment fee nangnai group C post 100 nangnai 50 nangnai SC rok ngeno rok tebo job notification nanya musungkhe kokbrok bai ani channel subscribe khaidi puilla nungnan bagai norok notification sokina bagai norok notification bell click khaidi